Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Suhana classes. Dear students, if you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it now so that you get my new updates. And here we are with class 6 mathematics chapter number 1 knowing our numbers. Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back. We are here with question number 9 of exercise 1.2 knowing our numbers. So students, let's see what is the question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. So, what is the question? If I want to stitch one shirt, how much cloth is needed for me? It is 2 meter 15 centimeter. So, this much cloth is needed. Now, out of 40 meter cloth, so total cloth is how much? 40 meter. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? So this is the question given to us. So what is the question? We suppose I am having 40 meter, total 40 meter cloth, and from that 40 meter cloth I want to stitch shirts. So in that 40 meter cloth, how much shirts will be stitched? If one shirt requires 2 meter and 15 centimeter of cloth, and after stitching, how much cloth is remaining? So that we have to find here. Students, before going to solve, here I can see, you can see here something I have written here. So what is that? A hint is given to us in the question that convert the data in centimeter. Students, while teaching you about conversions, I told you clearly that if one value is given us in meter and another is given in centimeter, we can't do any operations on them. So either we have to convert meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. So here they told us to convert. So here they told us to convert the data in centimeter. So let's see how to convert it first, and then I'll tell you how to solve it. So first, cloth needed for one shirt. I'll write here cloth needed for one shirt. It is how much? 2 meter 15 centimeter. So let's see how to convert it. Students, hope so you have studied that video of convergence properly. If you have studied it, you will feel it here very easy. So what was that? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So same operation will apply it here. So see here, instead of 1 meter we have here 2 meter. So 2 meter will be equal to 200 centimeter. Here extra I have 15 centimeter. So I'll add this 15 centimeter. Total will be 215 centimeter. So if I convert this value into centimeter, how much centimeter it is? 215. So let's see how much total cloth I have. Total cloth we have is how much? It is 40 meter. Let us convert this value also in centimeter. So 40 into 100. So my answer will be 4000 centimeter. So here I got one value as 215, another value as 4000 centimeter. So what I have to do here, if I want to find out in 4000 centimeter how much shirts I can stitch it out. So for this I have to just simply divide. So I have to divide 4000 by 215. 4000. So I have to divide 4000 by 215. If you see this division, you may feel it very difficult how to solve. So see, it is 3-digit number. So we will first take 3 digits only. And if I want to check in 215 table 400 is coming or no. So for this, what I will do, I will just compare these 2 digits, starting 2 digits. So here then I can see the relation of 2 2s are. So what I will do here, 215 into 2. Okay, if I multiply this, my answer is 10, 1 carry, 3 and here 4. I get answer 430, but I can't cross 400. So I have to go with 1s are. 215 1s is 215 only. So as it is division, we will subtract the two numbers, and here I can't subtract. So here it will become 10 carry and 3. Okay. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 0 as it is, it will be carried out down. So again, I am confused here how to do. So what I will do, I will compare this two number with the first digit. I can see first digit is smaller than 2. So for that purpose, I will take two numbers. So 2 and 18, is there any relation? Yes, 2 9s is 18. So I will check 215 9s. So if I do this, 45, 13, 18 plus 1 is 19. Oh, what answer I got here? It's 1935. So this is greater than what number I have here. So I can't take 9s. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will check it out by 8s. I will go with one smaller number, that is 8s. 8 5 is 40, and here 12, and 16 plus 1 is 17. And yes, I got the answer 1720, which is within this number. So I can take here 8s, 1720. And as usual, if I subtract this, I will get answer 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 7 is 1, and here 1 minus 1 is 0. So what answer did I got? In 4000 centimeter of cloth which I have, from that I can stitch how many shirts? I can stitch 18 shirts. And after the stitching 18 shirts, how much cloth is remaining? 130 centimeter cloth is remaining. So I'll write here so that you can understand. So what they are asking us, how many shirts we can stitch? We can stitch 18 shirts. You have to write it here, 18 shirts. And how much cloth is remaining? Cloth remaining will be 130 centimeter. If I want to convert this 130 centimeter into meter, what can I do? I can see here 100 centimeter means 1 meter, and extra 30 centimeter is there, and I will write here extra 30 centimeter. So this will be your final answer, and this much cloth is remaining. Hope so students, you have understood this question. This question is based on division, and we have done it. Observe it properly and then solve it in your fair book.